Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put s in here, so that should be like this. Next, I will put number 9 on here and here. So we have the formula in here. So when s approaches to number 0, sine of 9s over 9s, similar for this one, equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer in here. So I will put number 0 cone here and number 1 in here. And we know that sine of number 0 you got 0, and that's why we have number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.